Title: The Lost Key. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She was known for her adventurous spirit and keen sense of observation. One sunny morning, while exploring the outskirts of her village, she stumbled upon an old, rusty key hidden amongst a bed of wildflowers. Intrigued by the mysterious key, Lily decided to embark on a quest to uncover its origin. She followed a narrow path through the dense forest, listening to the whispers of the trees and the melodies of chirping birds. After hours of wandering, she stumbled upon a grand, forgotten mansion. Lily's heart raced with excitement as she approached the mansion's imposing front door. With a sense of anticipation, she tried the key in the lock, and to her surprise, it fit perfectly. The door creaked open, revealing a grand foyer filled with dust-covered furniture and faded portraits. As Lily ventured further into the mansion, she discovered a series of locked doors. Each time, she tried the mysterious key, and one by one, the doors opened, unveiling rooms frozen in time. There was a lavish ballroom with a chandelier still sparkling with remnants of its former glory, a library filled with books waiting to be read, and a secret garden teeming with vibrant flowers. Amidst her exploration, Lily discovered a worn-out diary on a dusty writing desk. She carefully opened its pages and read about the mansion's rich history. The diary revealed that the mansion belonged to a long-lost family who had disappeared mysteriously many years ago. They were rumored to have left behind a hidden treasure. With newfound determination, Lily embarked on a mission to find the treasure. She followed the clues hidden within the diary and ventured deeper into the mansion. The trail led her to a hidden underground chamber, where she discovered a chest filled with precious jewels, gold coins, and a letter addressed to her. The letter revealed that Lily was a distant relative of the long-lost family, and the mansion was now rightfully hers. It explained that the key was meant to unlock the family's past, enabling Lily to reconnect with her roots and breathe life into the forgotten estate. Overwhelmed with gratitude and a sense of belonging, Lily decided to restore the mansion to its former glory. With the treasure as her means, she hired artisans, architects, and gardeners to revive its beauty. The mansion soon became a place of wonder and enchantment, attracting visitors from near and far. Lily's story spread throughout the village, inspiring others to pursue their own dreams and embark on their own quests. She became a beacon of hope, reminding everyone that hidden treasures can be found in the most unexpected places. And so, the story of Lily and the lost key became a legend in the village, passed down through generations, reminding people to never stop exploring and to always have faith in the magic that lies within their own hearts.